Hey guys, Miss Donahue here. Remember I had you read over your science? Well, today we're going to look at a little bit of an experiment about collisions. So, remember energy is the energy, potential energy is the energy something has because of its position. So if you look, we've got a lot of dominoes sitting there in the shape of a peace sign, I might add. How cool is that? I guess we'll find out if it actually works. All of those dominoes have lots of potential energy. They're just sitting there, energy stored up, ready to be kinetic energy. Remember, kinetic energy is the energy of movement. So when something moves, it has kinetic energy, hence my feet, potential energy. But when I dance, they have kinetic energy. So let's see. Remember you read about collisions, and the collisions are the transfer of energy from one thing to another. I bet you can figure out what's going to happen here. All that potential energy is going to turn into kinetic energy, and hopefully, if everything works out right, there will be collisions, and the energy will be transferred from one domino to another. But I decided instead of just touching them, to put a little risk in here. So we have a great oatmeal container and a sweet ramp that I made, or didn't make, I just had, and a coaster. Things you can use at home. If you have dominoes, it'd be cool if you guys did something like this. So just to go over some things. Potential energy. This truck has lots of potential energy when it sits right on top of the ramp. When I let go, you can assume when it moves, that is going to be kinetic energy. If all goes right, the truck doesn't always steer straight, so it might not. It should collide with that first domino and cause the energy to transfer through all those collisions down through the end of the domino peace sign, which would be pretty cool. I can't tell you how many times I've already knocked it over just trying to set it up. Dominoes are much trickier than you would think. So, one more force that will be working here is the force that pulls my truck here down. If there wasn't a force pulling it, it would not slide down the ramp. That force, I think you all know, is the same force that holds us down on the earth and makes a ball drop, or makes anything drop when you let go of it. Gravity. So let's check this out. Right now, the truck has potential energy. When I let it go, hopefully it'll have kinetic energy that will take it right into those dominoes. And we'll see lots of transfer of energy. And lots of kinetic energy taking place. Potential to kinetic. Ready? Yeah! Woohoo! That was actually awesome. I want to see you guys try something like that. If you have dominoes, that'd be cool. He's also a culprit. He knocked over my domino art more than once. He's not a very good helper. Maybe your dogs are better helpers. All right, guys. Have a great day. See you later.